Hey, this is Rick and welcome to an update on the Red Wiggler worm farm. Now it's been about a month since we started this small farm. If you saw my other video, you saw where I got them from and how I made this little can. Little screen to keep the light out and keep the worms down, and if there's any gnats or any pests that are flying in. So here we go. I put some fresh cardboard on there. I guess it was at the last update. So you can see that in there. And now we're going to spread them out and see exactly what we got. And it's compacted in there pretty good. They're really working. You can see they went all the way down to the bottom to where the leaves were. And see, if you do it right, that's just a little glistening in there, and there's actually worms all the way down there, and they're working on that. That's the leaves on the bottom. Now, I don't have any holes on the bottom of my can, but if you keep this right and keep your moisture levels right, you won't need anything for drainage. So we'll go ahead and we will mix that up a little bit, but you can see there's worms in there. Hopefully you can see that. There's some big ones in there and some little ones. There's one right there on the end of the shovel. He just crawled right up when I went in there. Trying to be delicate so I don't stab any of them. But you can see the castings all along the side of the can. They're working pretty good. And it's moist down there, but not too bad. They're all the way down at the bottom. All the way down. They're intertwined and all that stuff. And it's not bad at all. Just moist. And then here's the rest of it. We'll comb through there, and you can see the worms all around in there. Look at them. Happy worms. And you can see all that black in there. That's all the castings from all the stuff that they've eaten. And if you saw my first video, it only came in a small little bag. You can see they're doing a good job of this. They're all through here. And I don't see any of the banana that I put in there in the last video. As per one of my worm friends, the crazy worm lady, she said that I had pineapples in the first video and she didn't recommend it because it was too much citrus. So, upon her recommendations, because she's been doing it longer, I went ahead and pulled the pineapple pieces and I put in some blended up banana into the corner, and I don't even see any of that. So we're going to go ahead and put something else in here when I'm done the video. Let's see if you can see in there. There they are, the Red Wigglers. Now these were all kind of small when I first got them. So they're eating pretty good. I don't see any eggs at this time, but these guys are getting pretty big, so maybe they were just a little too small to start breeding. There's some bigger ones right there. Hopefully you can see that there. And they're all kind of mounded up here. So that's the progress on the small Red Wiggler farm. If you want to know how I did this little can and what the idea is with the hole and the lid on top, look back at my other videos. Once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if I have any other links to the worms or any products that I show, they'll be at the bottom of the description on the video. Take care.